Here's how to mark all emails as read in Gmail in 2026 using your browser. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. At the top left of your inbox, click the small checkbox above your emails. This selects all visible emails on the current page. Now, a message will appear saying Select all conversations in inbox. Click that option to select every email, not just the first page. Once everything is selected, click the Mark as Read icon at the top. All emails in your inbox will now be marked as read instantly. And that's it. You've successfully marked all emails as read in Gmail. Subscribe for more fast and simple Gmail tutorials.